Yeah. Why is rum gone? Oh, fuck. Alright. What do we got here?
Taking my cable off and hooking my little brake. Keep coming through.
Ah, cable. You want free cable?
Come on, you monkey wrench. Yeah. Good up, yeah. Yeah, I still got the two little eyelets and just got the weld. But for right now, I'm gonna have to
What do you speak about?
do something to keep it in easy gear to fire this thing up.
See, the controls are coming together very well.
Zip ties are awesome.
Mechanic's best friend, zip ties.
And we'll stick this right here until I get to weld that back on. Something like this. Very temporary. Man, this toe zip tie. Don't want to go. What the hell is wrong with you?
There you go. Got her.
I got pliers.
Wires.
Okay, that's there. This is here. A spring, I see. Let's see. And one of these. Put this one right here. Because we need rear brakes. You know. Just these two.
Bentley! That's gross.
Bentley says life's rough.
Yeah, life's rough.
Give it a bar.
Oh.
I got under half of it. Now I'm under none of it. Stay there. This looks like a job for Ty. Right there. I'm gonna hold this where it needs to go. If you could tighten it for me.
I got both my hands full here.
Oh.
Hold on a second.
I could hold on to the light with my.
What do you want me to hold?
I needed to tighten that so I could hold this. It's almost in the right spot. I can't see because my hood's up. They call me the hood. Right.
Okay.
No, I just gotta loosen.
Loose a little bit.
Yep. A little more.
A little more.
Yeah, that's a tight fit. There we go.
I heard something click.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, right there.
Tell me now. Tell me when.
Right on.
Tightening.
Tighten. Woohoo.
I feel it.
I was gonna ask Bentley, but
He's scratching his crotch.
I didn't give him any bones today. That's good. You tighten it.
You sure?
Yep.
I'm gonna crank on that a little bit more. I see that crush washer. Just a little tweak. Okay, I like it.
Where did the driver of the screw in this go? Really good fit.
You need a Philippe? There's one right there. It's right there.
It was?
Yeah, right there. Number 2 Phillips, right there.
I don't see it.
That's right here.
Nah, that's a Torx.
Oh, it is a. I'll just shut up.
Use this one. Should have Ouch.
Do that again. Yo, we got brakes.
We're gonna have brakes.
We're gonna have brakes.
There should be space in me. Yeah.
Looks pretty good to me.
That's pretty even.
That looks spot on, actually.
Let me turn this out a little bit. Might end up having to tighten it a little. I'm gonna have to tighten it a little bit more.
You know, on my Harley, adjusting the fucking throttle cables was one of the hardest fucking things to do.
Little bit more.
Little bit. Just a little bit.
Ah, yeah.
Let me know where you need me.
That's probably good. Yep. And see if there's still sound. That one's not working. Might need some lubrication.
We got plenty of that. There's WD-40 everywhere.
I got some, like, yeah. This is the shit, dude.
I know what that is.
You've used it?
Yup.
It is the shit.
That is good stuff.
Where was I? Oh.
You're over here.
And this was
That one and this one. This one's not moving. Other side here.
Yep, I'm getting it. These bikes are sitting so freaking long. I see your wrist coming out.
And I see it too. I'm looking at it, so yeah, I can believe it. Yep.
Ah,
Aha.
this side feels good.
Spray it up. Fuck it. Oh man, that stuff stinks. But damn, it does the job.
It does do the job. Why is that spring coming off? Because I'm not squeezed yet.
Not squeeze. Squeeze.
Put some down. So
Yep, a lot of people don't know this. You gotta spray the cables.
I can't move.
I might be in your way. Yeah.
And they're working.
I see.
Haha.
Haha.
I gotta do the same thing with this front one probably. Yeah, that one just popped apart.
Well, it's
Kind
definitely
of loose though.
spray her up.
That spring's gonna have to be tight. I don't like that. I wonder if it's broke. Nope, not broke. This needs
Not broke.
to be gemmed.
Jimmed.
Ah. Yup. Ah, not gemmed enough. The rest coming right out.
I can hear it.
The colorblind guy shouldn't wire things.
That's okay. I'm here.
I was making a joke. But yeah, colorblind guys could fuck shit up.
Oh, on the side? Nope. Mm-hmm.
Did I get it?
Yeah, I would give it some more schmutz. Yep, you're on it.
Here we go.
Oh, I can already tell. That's much better.
Yeah, it's happy.
Very important, those that are watching. You must lubricate these cables.
See.
A lot of people forget this. And the oil will sink inside the plastic cable and it will do its job lubricating.
It's called penetrant for the turkeys.
Penetrant oil.
For all you turkey talkers out there.
This is a step many people overlook. These cables have to be lubricated. Otherwise, they don't work.
Yeah. Hey. Something happened.
Connected.
Now I'm gonna have to fix these. Because this one's too tight and this one needs to be tightened.
Reminds me of the day when I was doing alignments. All right, well, I gotta adjust this tire, then I gotta adjust this tire, I gotta change this tire, right? I gotta do that, I gotta do that. Why are you not paying me enough?
That one's working real good.
Caster, camber, toe. Camber high, caster low. That's the way she will go.
This one needs to be tightened.
Why am I making $11 an hour?
That screw has been screwed. It's getting a little more on this one. A little less
I can
on the
feel
other
it
one.
squish between my toes.
Hey, now we're in unison.
Oh.
Brake pad needs to be adjusted. It's up in the tire. Eso no es bueno. I haven't looked at the back ones. That one's good.
Hmm?
Good.
Good.
There's one that was a little off. This guy. a little less on this one. So it's because I bent it with my hand. I gymmed it. Now it needs more. Damn it. Went too far.
Test and tune. That's what they call it.
You're working. Give her a spin see.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, I gotta put this on here. Yeah.
My hands are full.
Yeah, me too. All gymmed up. Go here, move that. And then go back down here. Yep. Haha, that would do it. This one's still a little tight.
No, right. The oil is working its way in.
Yeah.
I can see the rust dripping off of it.
Let's go a little bit more. Let's see if the rim's all bent up.
Oh, I have a foot.
Oops, sorry. It is a little bit.
Squeeze the brake. It works.
I hear tickety. Oh, I know why tickety tickety, because my wires are hanging.
What is tickety tickety?
My wires are hanging.
Oh.
This white wire is a power wire, so I need to tape it up. If I'm gonna go to a headlight.
Yo, I might have one on my toolbox.
Wow. Is this black?
That's black.
Okay. And we'll put it in here.
That's green.
Green for ground. That grounds out the hot wire for the kill switch. Good.
Okay.
I gotta mount this sucker somewhere and tape this.
Tape. Okay, we need tape. Come on, get tape!